guys. How's everyone doing? It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday today, and I've been under the weather. I am having, I don't know, stress-related headaches, I guess, and stomach problems, which is probably cause for my stress, and just overall not feeling too well. I'm having computer problems, I'm having work-related problems, and a wee bit of family issues, but I'm hanging in there. The problems I'm having with my computer, and please forgive the darkness of this video. I have my my shade up on my car. It keeps the car cooler and keeps my eyes a little bit not so much brightness on it. But anyway, I'm gonna try to do 2 videos today. I don't know if either one will make it up. I may have to try to upload straight to YouTube and skip my intro and all that, if I can't get this up any other way. I have been dealing with issues on my computer since Windows 10. I can't get my software to work anymore correctly, my editing software, and so maybe tonight, if I feel up to it, if not this weekend, I will either erase all parts of my editing software and go back to the website and download it again, or maybe I will need to set my computer back to when I first bought it. That sounds a little scary for me. I don't know what I would lose if I did that. I would think that anything I saved on my hard drive would be gone. And I have so many things that I've downloaded since I got this computer. But I know you can set it back to factory default. But I really want that to be my last option. Oh man. So if not, then maybe I'll need to buy a different editing software. I'm trying not to buy my new system yet until I find out everything about this job. But I may have to break down and do it anyway, you know, even if it's not the particular laptop that I want. Maybe I can get a temporary one, which wouldn't go to waste because my son needs a laptop. But I really did not want to buy one yet. I wanted to wait till I went to California. But I don't like computer problems. It stresses me out. I don't have the patience for it. So, though I do know a little bit about computers, so I know the things I need to try before. It's just a matter of time, you know. I spent a lot of my evening all the way up until, even when I got up in the middle of the night, I went out to my system because it was still doing some stuff to check it. So, but anyway, it's another story. So yeah, but that's where I am. But yeah, I'm just, you know, they say when it rains it pours, and sometimes that's more true than you'd like to think. It's just been one of those weeks. It's been like this actually for a couple of days. More than a couple of days, because I started feeling sick Saturday. And I really think it's this weather. I think it's here. It's the allergies and all of that. But anyway, but yeah. So that's what's going on. I had to scrap a video because I cannot get it to upload, and it was done on Saturday, and I could not get it from my editing software into video format to upload to YouTube. And I can't even upload straight from my editing software to YouTube. I don't know what is going on. But I know I can go into Windows, iMovie, I think, in Windows Movie or whatever they call it. But I don't like that editing software. To me, it's more cumbersome than anything else. But if I have to, I will use that. But the video I did on Saturday, it's a mute point now. So I'm just using that as my test video to find out what the heck is going on. I even went so far as to reset my camera to defaults in case I change something on my camera. I don't know. But yeah, so it's just a mess, guys. But anyway, I will come back at you with my second part of this video, which will be a separate video all by itself anyway. So hopefully I can get to it before my lunch hour is over. I'm on a different schedule today because I have training when I go back in for something. But anyway, so I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.